plants that have shed a tear. The plants must so often witness the cruelty of man. I'm not sure if they have an opinion on our behavior then. They are the silent witnesses when a little child is abused. Quietly they stand and listen to that dirty language we use. Lovely are the flowers with beauty that comes from within. They surely don't know about cruelty or the disasters of sin. If plants could talk, I wonder what stories they would tell about you and about me and some of the elders as well. They have nothing bad in them, and no word would they say, whether you are doing all the bad things or whether you pray. The beauty of plants was given by the Master's hand. Some grows only in the good soil, and some in the sand. I ask of you to please pay to them just a